Hi all. Today we are discussing about a initialization of a array. So last session we had seen declaration and creation. For your sake I am recalling these concepts. Declaration in the sense if any variable, if any array we are creating in the first we need to declare. So if you see int braces of a, this is what it is means. A is a variable of single array of integer data type. A is a array single dimensional of integer data type. So when we creation a is equal to new int of 3. So declaring the size at the time of creation. When declaring time you don't need to give the size. Why? Because you are declaring dimensions. When creation time, at last in when creation time you definitely need to give the data like size of the array. So if you are confusion declaration and creation by two we need to take, you can use this also. Integer of array is a is a single dimensional array of integer and is new creating an object integer of 3. Okay, you hope you understand. So this is the creation and declaration, recall. So next, initialization. What initialization? Values. So here it had created 0 1 2. So what is the values in it? Like normally if you are taking here, if you take array of 8 in the sense it had a 8 values. Normally if when creating time, if you are not assigning anything, so here it won't be these values, it won't be these values, it won't be these values. What it will be there in the sense, if when you are creating, when you are declared and created that array, one size will be there. So everything will be the 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. If it is an integer data type, whatever the array elements is there, it is a 0. Default it will be the 0. Whatever the value we are assigning, it will go and replace that value. If everything is 0, if it is a string, it will be the null. If it is a string, it will be the null. If it is an integer, it will be the 0. It will be, you need to remember this point. So if you see, if integer of 8 or 9 we had given, so how we can assign? So if you need to keep here 40 in the sense a index of 0 40. Why? Because index will start, index first value will be, if you are 9 in the sense 9 0 to 8 it will be close. So index value of 0 is 40 you are giving, index value of 1 you are giving 55, index value of 2 you are giving 63, index value of 3 you are giving 17, index value of 4 you are giving 22, index value of 5 you are giving 68, index value of 6 you are giving 89, index value of 7 you are giving 97, index value of 8 you are giving 89. So these values you are given. So okay, first what happened, you declared a variable and next created a variable. When creation time, every cell it contains a 0 value. After that you initialized these values. So from 0 to you initialized these values. Okay, so this is what is this method. What is this in the sense, integer of a is a single dimension of integer of these values. It won't be first 0. It when creation time only it will create with these values, instead of 0 it will create with these values. If you are using this when creation time only, whatever the cells is there, it will create like this only. A of 0 is 40, A of 1 is 60, 55 and 63, 17, 22, 68, 89, 97, 97 and 89. It will create like this only, it won't be 0 and everything. So this is a normal process and this is a direct declaration. Here what you are doing, you are declaring and you are creating a variable with the size. By how? In the sense automatically it will understand how many values is there, 9. So 0 to 8 it will create. So initialization also automatically it will take. So create declaration, creation, initialization, it will happen. So both, this is a first method, this is the first way and you need to declare this, and this is a second way, this is a second way, and this is a third way. So integer of array a is a variable of single dimensional integer, new integer of here you are not giving size, you are giving the value. Automatically it will also understand the 9 and it will analyze the values and it will insert the values. Whatever you are giving, the same pattern only it will store. Wherever the comma you are giving, that will be stored like that. So hope you understand initialization as well. So next video we are seeing retrieve, how we can retrieve in array concept. Kindly like, share, subscribe to my